Hello, everybody. My name is Linda Mola, and I will put you through how to download Draw.io to your computer. First of all, you go to your browser. Just hold on a minute. So you go to your browser and you type in Draw.io download. So basically, Draw.io is an application for drawing flowcharts, data models, anything really, but mostly like diagrams, templates, and things like that. So Draw.io download. So first of all, you have to know that this application works online and you have to be online. That means connected to the internet when you're using it on your computer. You can also use it, Draw.io, in your browser. Just search Draw.io and it takes you to what it looks like. So it's basically a diagram software online and flowchart maker. You can do whatever you want, flowcharts, draw whatever you want, and put it in there really. So you can type, okay, maybe start, and so on and so forth. Really, you can draw a like just anything really, a decision, whatever you want in the in Draw.io. You can use to show, okay, from here to here for your data pipelines or data modeling models and things like that. So for you to download it to your computer, just come to Draw.io download, right? Come to the first thing that you see. So it's showing Draw.io desktop. So the first application, first website you see is the usually the best website, and that's the official website really. So when you open it, it looks just like this. Then you click on download, then it starts downloading. Or okay, then it doesn't start out. It shows you where you can download the installer. So you can either download for Windows, for Mac operating system, that's like MacBooks, and for Linux computers. So I'm going to just select Windows installer. So we're waiting for it to download. It should take less than a minute. It's just 104 megabytes. So 15 seconds, 13, 11. So it's showing here in my download history. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So it is done downloading. You can select it here directly or come to your file manager. For me, under my downloads, it is there right here. So this is Draw.io. Just select it, the installer file, and it's going to start loading. So it asks, do I want to make changes to things to my device? And the answer is yes, because I want to add a new application. So I'm just going to install. So while it's installing, we just wait, install, then finish. So it is done installing on my computer. Pretty straightforward, no fuss or anything. To find this, just come to your search bar or go to where your apps are. So for me, I'm just going to my search bar and type in draw. That I before you finish typing in the draw, it pops up. So this is the application. Come to open, and it's going to open up. It looks basically the interface looks like what it's so flowchart and online diagram, look at what it looks like in the web, but for easy access and things like that, you can. So I want to create a new diagram. This is a flowchart that I was using before. This is like a template. You can come to file, create new. um so you can use it for anything really, for drawing. Yeah, so you can also choose template. Do you want something in engineering, something for process flow, process. So you can choose the flow chart. There are many samples. So I'm also going to choose this. This is a flow chart. I'm going to choose a flow chart and create. and it shows this. So basically from start to project, you can also use it for project management, projects, just things like that. So you can see, do you want it start? Do you want to make a decision? Does a decision say yes? Does it say no? What does it lead to? And so on and so forth. You can also save what you have done. Just save it. You can save it to your computer. Control S does the same thing. Save it to your computer as something, import as a picture, PDF, whatever you want to import it as really. If you want to just share the link and so on and so forth. So basically that is how Draw.io works. And I hope you understand. Thank you.